routine.
So ngayon, you have to go with me. Follow me because I'm going to kitty. Ikakat ko lang yung grass sa labas, guys ba? Pakikaki. Papichalo na. Papichula. Si Chichula na. Lucha-chucha. Guys, magsapatos tayo. Naawa talaga ako sa sapatos ko, guys. So, gardening na ito, guys. For gardening na itong sapatos na to. Ano to siya? Sneakers. Sneakers na chocolate. Huwag ka makaigit. So, yun. Sapatos tayo niyan kasi pang garden na ito. Kasi, dinumihan ko kasi. Kaluka. Ang ganda ko ng sapatos na ito. Saka, ano ka, nilabhan ko to. Tiniray kong labhan. Wala na, hindi na talaga malinis. I think malinis ito kapag nalabhan ko ng pareha sa Pilipinas. Yung labras. Bras, ihumos tubig. Klorinan. Labras na naman. Han! Give me that thing! Give me that! Hoy! Paunahan kami ng cut ng grass kasi ayaw ko itong mapagod itong asawa ko. Give me!
What do you call a butan?
Butan. Butan, you're so butan, Han. Give me the key. Ay, naku, pagkagahig yun mo alimpatakan ba? Give me the key ba? Naku, lagi. Do you have the key? Tami moy! Pagkagahi dyan ani gulo ba? So, ano gagawin ko ngayon? Hindi ako makapagkat.
I go out and start, you can take over.
You start and take over.
I start, you take over afterwards.
You do the front, I do the back. Hi, we still have to put here.
Air. I got that can of air with the goop in it. So.
Say it to everyone. Good morning.
Good morning. You see, oh, my hair's horrible. Jeez.
That's why I want to cut your hair.
Don't cut my hair.
Okay, what do you want?
I gotta comb my hair.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Even though you are cutting the grass, you have to cut the hair or comb the hair. Han, it's windy. Han, I think you need a thing. I think you need a cap. You need a sombrero.
A sombrero.
Yeah.
That's like the big Mexican hat.
Do you have sombrero?
Yeah. Do I have a hat in my car? Yes.
Okay, use that. Not the other one. The one that I want. Just use that. It's so windy and you need a jacket.
Take the
Heavier.
camera off me, please.
Ay, mag-inhert pa, Jude. Oy, why you inhert?
So?
Why you inhert? Why you insert your shirt?
Because otherwise it hangs out under my jacket.
My God, you're so drama. Okay, guys, so he told me he's going to cut, and then at the back, I'll do it myself, okay? You promise me?
Yeah.
Okay. Tigas ng ulo. We need to cut kasi tomorrow night, later, right? Tonight? Tonight will be snowing. So, ang among spring, guys, ang among pa-springy wintery, o summery, mag-snow. So, ang pangit ng panahon ngayon kasi kaloka. Hala, you have to pay attention, Han. Hala, it's growing, Han. Hala, it's... Okay. That's it, Han.
Oh, it's not.
What is that? It's a foamy.
Right, it gets in the hole and it gets solid and seals the hole supposedly. If it works. If it doesn't.
Dinagdagan niya ng gas. Kasi, okay, I will hold this. No.
Yeah.
Hold on. Tignan mo. I told you cannot just do sideways over there. You can't do it. I noticed you cannot go there.
Can't go where?
You can't go up because you have to go faster.
Yeah, I know that, but if you go too fast, you make a mess. So,
But listen. Hindi ko maano si Tommy, guys. Matawag nito. Hindi ko siya fast forward kasi wala akong tripod na mataas. Maliit na itong tripod ko. So meron na akong mga tinatanim. Ngayon, yung pichay ko is malnourished. Ang ginaw sa labas, grabe. Hasan yung ano ko. Doon si Tami nagkakat ng grass. So, alam ko na meron akong ano dito ba. Kalo. Kasi magkat ako sa likuran ng bahay. Si Tami magkat no, nakaka-stress talaga kapag siya magkat ng ano, grass. Kasi, sumisid-sid talaga siya sa may mga kahoy na. Yung may mga anong tawag nito? May mga kahoy ba? Kaya yung gulong sirang-sira na sa sa left side, sa pinakauna. Yung maliit na gulong. Nakasudsud pa rin. Anyway, so yan. Mag-uma na naman tayo, guys. Let's go uma-uma. Hello, baby. Baby. Rocky-licky. Nagtilak-tilak-til. Guys, we are planning to, add more layer. Maybe another layer. 2 layers again sa floor protect. And pabayaan ko lang si Tami doon kasi nakaka-stress kapag dinitignan ko. Kahit ano na mga ginagawa niya, nandun siya nakasidsid, nandun sa kalsada, na-stuck yung anyway, so later on tayo na naman yung magkatignan yun. Nandun na siya sa likuran. Sabi ko i-prioritize mo yung sa harapan. Nandun sa likuran na. Sabi ko akong gawa sa likuran. Matigas talaga ulo ng asawa ko. Grabe. Ang tigas. Sabi ko, i-priority mo yung sa harapan ng bahay. Dahil, mamayang gabi mag-snow. 3 inches daw yung snow. Pero, tignan natin. Pagod. Nakakapagod, guys. Ay, guys, pina-stop ko si Tami kasi kakain kami ng lunch. Magla-lunch muna kami. Ang ginaw, guys, ginaw sa labas. Nag-ano din ako, parang nag-line ako sa front garden, sa yung mga halaman-halaman ko doon sa nilaline ko lang siya yung pala ba, pinapala ko lang para may linya. And lagyan ko ng mulch doon. Yun yung plano ko, pero tignan natin kung magkano yung mulch. Pero I really wanna buy mulch, guys. Imo-mulching natin doon. Add mulch ba? Para maganda tignan. Oh, ang ilalunch pala namin, guys, is yung Tommy ordered yesterday. I hung it outside. Oh, it's really dirty.
Yeah.
No. I don't know why you clean the neighbor's whole thing over there.
It can't be true.
Yes, it is, honey.
We're going up to here. We're at least past our shed.
We pass our sheds, but going back.
I'll go back.
Yeah.
You want it back?
Yeah. Why you have to keep going that?
I don't know.
I said, why you're like, I have itch here. Maybe I get poison ivy.
Could be.
Look, it's itching here and red.
What were you doing?
Picking up your mess.
My mess.
You're cutting over there, but old. Han, I cut only a small one, honey.
You want some drink? No.
Oh, God. I have water here.
What are you jumping for, little bug?
Okay, to.
Oh, excuse me. Get down. Get down. This is not yours. Thank you. Scooch. Everything I have, you have to have in your mouth.
Hi guys! So ngayon, while naghihintay tayo kay Tami, ang gagawin ko is magpa-plant tayo. Ipa-plant natin itong scallion. Green onion guys, green onion. I think ito lang yung gamitin ko for now. Lagyan natin ng butas. Butasan natin. Meron akong kinat dito oh. Kailangan ko ng butas, yung pangbutas ba? Nagdubli-dubli na ako ng jacket guys kasi sobrang ginaw. As in, ang ginaw talaga. And din tapos na akong nag-cut sa labas. Nalabas ko na din yung mga dugis. Nag-widwalk si Tami. So, tapos na tayo dito. Ang daming spots. Oh. Kailangan siyang lagyan ng grass pero sa likuran man ito okay lang. Ano na naman si Tami, widwalk. Nagkakat siya ng grass, yung mga sa gilid-gilid. Naalala ko noon, ang ganda-ganda ng panahon. Kasal namin, April by Gis. Ang ganda ng ano. Ngayon, iwan ko na lang si Batman. Anyway, so, hubuin ko lang. Tapos na siya guys, nakapagbihis na. Umiinom na ng scotch. Are you looking at your yard?
Yes.
It's very browny because you overcut.
Not really overcut. The brown is under there. It's not like, oh, you cut it down and it turned brown. The brown is under there. You need to get some sun to turn green. The other grass is green and covering it, so it's not getting any sun, so it's not turning green.
It snows.
I did around these little trees.
Yeah,
I
I
did
see.
around the mailbox. I did around that pole.
Okay.
Some under that tree too.
Inano ko lang siya, yung parang nilinyahan ko lang. This is nice. You really did clean up over there. So if you really did clean up over there and then just that tree, it's nice, right? No, I mean if you just leave like big trees and cut those small trees. So this is what I did. There is a line now over here. May linya na siya. Nilinis din ni Tami doon, oh. He said you clean also over there, that thing. Hala, careful, hand with your hand. Okay, that's it. Thank you. That's it.
You know, piece of plastic for don't
So,
wash them down the sink.
kailangan mo talagang lagyan ng mga bangag or mga holes, yung butas sa palibot ng container din para makahinga yung ugat. Kung malaki yung butas sa paligid ng container mo, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng material. May material kasi na pang garden. Yun. Lagyan natin ito. Dito hold on. Ito tayo. Mag-ano lang tayo ng ang daming nagkakat ng grass ngayon. I mean, yung sa ibabaw, yung may mga bahay-bahay doon, yung pinuntahan namin ni Tami. Yun. Ito na siya, guys. Look. Guys, ang daming litos ni Tami, oh. Yun. Liras. Ito yung ano ni Tami, oh. Tawag dito. Arugula. Pang salad. Gustong-gusto daw niya to. So, yan. Tumubo na siya. Yay! Tumubo na yung arugula. Ang dami pala nito.
Well, yeah, I got the MRI yesterday, and now she's not when the doctor called me.
Tumubo na talaga siya, guys. Yan. Konti lang yung tubig, guys. Ayan. Nilagay ko siya sa container kasi para hindi magbasa. Kasi ilagay ko siya doon sa doon sa window para tutubo.
So he says, better off, I'll try and put it through, and if I can't get through it, well, then you're going to need to off the
Hello. Hello, hello. Nilagyan ko ng tubig. Natutumba mga malnuris. Mga malnuris po kayong lahat. Ay, nagluluto po ako, guys. Yung niluluto po ko is dito, lam-lam. Si lam-lam, ibibake ko lang to. Nilagyan ko ng tubig sa ilalim, guys. Yun, tubig. Para pag magluto siya, yung moist ng tubig, para ito, hindi siya dry. I just cook rice yesterday. Oh, right here. Itong si Tami, magpataka-taka na nagbutang sa rice. Magkabuang ko tagpangita. Kalungkang itong si Tami. Hi, Mitch! Call Roxy. Roxy, come! Itchy? What happened, Itchy? You want me to itch? What are you doing? Oh my God. It's freezing outside? Is it freezing outside?
No.
Honey, you look like that movie, honey. Hun.
I look like a movie.
The movie, the one, the Star Wars thing. Hide face. The hide the face, the father. Oh my God, I feel so bad with the son.
I am the father. Darth Vader.
Star Wars, Dark Vader.
Darth Vader.
Dark Bear.
Darth Vader.
Dark Vader.
Darth.
Dark.
Not Darth. Darth.
Darth Vader. Here you go, guys. This is our dinner. Lammy lam lam. Look at that. How nice. Iwan ko, guys, if you eat lamb, but I do love eat lamb. I do eat lamb and I love it. But before, I hate it. Kakain kami ni Tami. Yung kakainin namin is yung munggo with rice. Yung munggo na niluluto ko, rice. And yun lang. Meron kaming leftover na din. Yung tawag nito. Yung in-order namin kahapon na calamari. So yun lang. I forgot to cook Tami pasta. Ayaw niya itong rice kasi wala dong lasa. Yung Spanish rice na ginagawa niya, gustong-gusto talaga niya. Pero itong mga white rice, kakain siya pero konti, ganun. And then, very din siya, yung parang, daw siya, yung sa diet niya. And doon siya sa labas, kausap niya yung kapatid niya. Hindi niya yun palaging kausap. So, every time na mag-usap sila, ang tagal. Hindi sila palaging nag-uusap kasi. You love mama? Yes, you love your mother. You love mama? Yes. Aluloy. Goodness. Ay, I love you. Yes. Mama love my misti.
At some point, now you're talking line of duty pay. Oh, he's going to get $500,000. I think it's just abusive stuff.
Well, like what Andrew's saying, Cuomo's, they're...
Hi guys, nanonood lang kami ng mga series. So here, mag-edit tayo ng video dito. And nandun si Tamimoy. Say good night, Han. Good night, guys. We're going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Here's my babies right there.